So today we're gonna be installing this Jordan distributor on my little hard body. I bought this truck like 2 weeks ago, and of course I bought it like this. So let's change that. Never installed one of those, but let's see how easy it is. So I'm gonna put my starter right here, my button right here, and I'm gonna put this somewhere else. We'll see where I put it at. Let's just hope it fits. So here we go. We have the antenna, harness, there's the brain. I believe this is for the brakes. Get a little key. This is your push to start. Another little key, stickers, all little stuff. Okay, now we're gonna get to this part. I'm gonna take this zip off. Ow. Take this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm right here just checking to make sure they're the same prongs. Looks like everything fits, so here we go. So I'll plug this up next. Boom, that replaces that. And now we gotta connect the ground. And then that's for your antenna. And then I know one of these is for your brake. So you can push the brake and turn it on. So if I'm not mistaken, it's this, I think it's blue with yellow. That's the, when you push the brake, that's the one that turns on. So the kit came with this little connector. All you gotta do is squish it. Plug it back in. That's that. Woo. Everything seems to be connected. I got this to put it behind my phone. There's the antenna. There's the push start. So push the brake. It has to beep twice. Boom, boom. And just start. Boom. It's on. Now to put everything back together.